In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make video in Genspark AI Desktop. To get started, open your browser and search for Genspark AI. In the search results, look for the official Genspark website labeled as an all-in-one AI workspace, then click to open it. This will take you to the main platform where you can access its different creative tools. Once you're on the site, find the Content Creation drop-down menu. This section is where Genspark groups tools related to making media. So if you're looking specifically to create a video, this is the right place to begin. Click the drop-down, then select AI Video. That will open the video generation workspace. Inside the AI video page, you'll see the option to begin creating your project. Click the plus icon to start. If you already have an image you want to use as a reference for the video, this is the moment to upload it. Using a reference image can help guide the look and style of the final result, so it's a useful option if you want more control over the output. After that, move to the prompt field and type in or paste your prompt. This is where you describe the video you want Genspark to create. Try to be clear and specific with your wording so the AI has better direction. The more precise your prompt is, the easier it will be for the tool to generate something closer to what you have in mind. When everything looks good, click Submit to start the video creation process. Genspark will then begin generating your video based on your prompt and any image reference you uploaded. That's the full process. Search for Genspark AI, open the official workspace, go to Content Creation, choose AI Video, add an image if needed, enter your prompt, and submit it to generate your video.